Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be talking about the PAC lashes, and I also got the PAC glue. So if you are interested to know more about these lashes, then please keep watching. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful, and also subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So these PAC lashes I observed comes in 3 different ranges. The regular range which retails for rupees 245, the mink range which retails for rupees 375, and the pro range which also retails for rupees 375. Now the ones I got are from the pro range, and the style I got is PAC Pro 05. They come in boxes like this, and you can easily store your lashes in them. So this is how they look. I was expecting them to be a lot fuller and thicker given that they are pro lashes, but they turned out to be pretty regular looking lashes, like the kind of lashes you would wear every day. These are not glam lashes. The quality is definitely good. I mean, PAC lashes are known to be good quality. There is no complaint there, but if you're looking for fuller, thicker lashes, then there are a lot of other styles to choose from. The PAC Pro 05 is not one of them. Now coming to the glue, the PAC Lash Glue retails for rupees 395, and they come in a tube like this. It comes with a brush which is super handy to apply glue with, and this is a white glue, but it dries transparent, of course. I have already used this glue and I really liked it. I'm glad I got this one. Now let's try these on the eyes and see how they actually look. The brush is super useful to spread the glue on the lash band, and this is how easily it works. So you spread a thin layer over the entire lash and you wait for a few seconds to semi-dry before you put it on your eyes. By the way guys, video of this makeup look is gonna be up on my channel soon. They are light, they are good quality lashes, but this particular lash wasn't all that good. I don't know if it's this particular lash that I got or this style is like this. Some of the lashes are scattered and doesn't look very flattering. Otherwise they look good. I said these lashes are good for everyday wear. I was expecting them to be more dramatic and thicker and fuller, but they're not. Alright, so this was the review for the PAC lashes. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.